Hi, hello, namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. I know by the title you already know why I'm here today, right? Yes, let's discuss the syllabus. ICSE 10th का syllabus, what has been kept and what is removed. तो शुरू करें? हाँ, चलो. Revised syllabus ICSE 10 2020-21. So the first chapter, periodic properties and variations of properties physical and chemical, there has been no changes made. That means you have to study about periodic properties and their variations in groups and periods, definitions and trends of the following periodic properties in groups and periods should be studied, that is atomic size, metallic character, non-metallic character, ionization potential, electron affinity, electronegativity. So we have to study the definition and their trends, how do they vary across the period and down the group. Periodicity on the basis of atomic number for elements, the study of modern periodic table up to period 3. Okay, so you have to know the periodic table, but the questions won't be asked beyond period 3, that is argon. Periodicity and other related properties to be explained on the basis of nuclear charge and shells. Not orbitals, only the shells, KLMN. Okay? Okay. And you know alkali metals and halogens, they are very reactive. So we have to refer that also. Chemical bonding may be no changes. So we will be discussing electrovalent, covalent and coordinate bonding, structures of various compounds, electron dot structure, very important, electrovalent bonding, that is also ionic bond, electron dot structure of electrovalent compounds like NaCl, MgCl2, CaO, characteristic properties of electrovalent compounds, state of existence, their melting and boiling points, conductivity, that is conductivity of heat and electricity, dissociation in solution and in molten state to be linked with electrolysis. So how exactly the electrolysis takes place and what happens, that is what you have to be learning. Coming to the covalent bonding, electron dot structure of covalent molecules on the basis of duplet and octet of electrons. So example hydrogen and helium, it follows duplet and the rest of the elements octet, right? Example hydrogen chlorine, nitrogen, ammonia, carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4, methane CH4. Polar covalent compounds based on difference in electronegativity. So polar covalent ones, you will have the charge, okay, HCl and H2O, that is because of the electronegativity. Characteristic properties of covalent compounds, their state of existence, melting and boiling point, conductivity, heat and electricity, ionization in solution, and important is we have to compare the electrovalent and covalent compounds. Coordinate bonding, so you have to learn about the definition, what is coordinate bonding, the lone pair effect of the oxygen atom of the water molecule and the nitrogen atom of the ammonia molecule to explain the formation of H3O plus and OH minus ions in water and NH4 plus ion. So the meaning of the lone pair, the formation of hydronium ion and ammonium ion must be explained with the electron dot diagrams. Okay, that will be done. Study of acids, bases and salts. So simple definitions in terms of the molecules and their characteristic properties, ions present in mineral acids, alkalis and salts and their solutions, use of litmus and pH paper to test for acidity, alkalinity and the amount of H plus ions present. Examples with equation for the ionization or dissociation of ions, acids, bases and salts. Acids form hydronium ions, only the positive H3O plus, which turns blue litmus paper red. Alkalis, that is the water soluble bases, they form hydroxyl ions, only negative ions with water, which turns red litmus blue. Salts are formed by partial or complete replacement of the hydrogen ion of an acid by a metal. So we have to explain this by the suitable examples. Introduction to pH scale to test for acidity, neutrality, alkalinity by using pH paper or the universal indicator. Definition of salt, types of salts. So types of salt we will have normal salts, acid salt, basic salt, their definition and examples. Action of dilute acids on salts, decomposition of hydrogen carbonates, Carbonates, sulfides by appropriate acids with heating if necessary. Then what are the topics which have been removed from this is methods of preparation of normal salts with relevant equations. Methods included are direct combination, displacement, precipitation, that is double decomposition, neutralization of insoluble base, neutralization of an alkali by titration, action of dilute acids on carbonates and bicarbonates. It has been removed from the syllabus. Coming to the fourth chapter, analytical chemistry, no changes again. So action of ammonium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide on solution of salts, color of salt and its solution, formation and the color of hydroxide precipitated for solutions of salts of calcium, iron, copper, zinc and lead, special action of ammonium hydroxide on solutions of copper salt and sodium hydroxide on ammonium salts. On solution of salts, color of salt and its solution, action on addition of sodium hydroxide to solution of calcium, iron, copper, zinc and lead salts by drop in excess, formation and color of hydroxide precipitated to be highlighted with the help of equations. Action on addition of ammonium hydroxide to solution of calcium, iron, copper, zinc and lead salts drop by drop in excess, formation and color of hydroxide precipitated to be highlighted with the help of equations. Special action of ammonium hydroxide on solutions of copper salts and sodium hydroxide on ammonium salts. Action of alkalis NaOH, KOH on certain metals, their oxides and hydroxides. Mole concept and stoichiometry. Let's see what has been changed. Vapor density and its relation to relative molecular mass. Molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. Formal proof is not required. Reduction of simple and molecular form from the percentage composition of compound, the masses of combining elements. So what has been removed? Oh, Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes, Avogadro's law. Idea of mole, Avogadro's law, Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes, understanding molar volume, simple calculations based on the molar volume and Gay-Lussac's law has been removed. Again, refer to the atomicity of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and chlorine. So it has also has been removed. Mole and its relation to mass, not there in the revised, reduced syllabus. Simple calculation based on chemical equations, that is related to the weight or the volume of both reactants and products, that is also not there in the reduced syllabus. Electrolysis, no changes. So you have to study about electrolytes and non-electrolytes, definition, examples and applications of electrolysis, electroplating with nickel and silver, choice of electrolyte for electroplating, electrorefining of copper. Metallurgy mein, let's see, occurrence of metals in nature, extraction of aluminium, alloys, their composition and uses, topics removed, only this much is there, topics removed from the syllabus, stages involved in the extraction. So what are the steps? We won't be studying yet. Study of compounds, no changes. Hydrogen chloride, then how it reacts with ammonia, acidic properties of its solution, solubility of hydrogen chloride, precipitation reactions with silver nitrate solution and lead nitrate solution, ammonia, its laboratory preparation, ammonia from nitrides like Mg3N2 and ALN using warm water, the reactions to be studied in terms of reactants, products, conditions and equations. Manufacture by Haber's process, density and solubility of ammonia, the burning of ammonia in oxygen, the catalytic oxidation of ammonia, its reactions with hydrogen chloride and with hot copper 2 oxide and chlorine. Both chlorine in excess and ammonia in excess. Okay, so all these reactions has to be studied. Aqueous solution of ammonia, reaction with sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid and solutions of iron 3 chloride, iron 2 sulfate, lead nitrate, zinc nitrate and copper sulfate. The uses of ammonia, that is how the manufacture of fertilizers is done, explosive, nitric acid, refrigerant gas, that is CFCs, and its suitable alternatives which are not ozone depleting, and the cleansing agents. Nitric acid, again it's laboratory method of preparation from potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate, large scale preparation, nitric acid as an oxidizing agent. Sulfuric acid, you have to discuss about large scale preparation, its behavior as an acid when dilute, as an oxidizing agent when concentrated, oxidation of carbon and sulfur as a dehydrating agent, dehydration of sugar and copper to sulfate crystals, and how it is a non-volatile nature. We have to discuss about its non-volatile nature too. Okay, organic chemistry, introduction to organic compounds, structure and isomerism, homologous series, that is characteristics with examples, simple nomenclature, it is of the hydrocarbons with simple functional groups like double bond, triple bond, alcohol, aldehydes, carboxylic group, longest chain rule and the smallest number for the functional group rule. Trivial and IUPAC names, compounds with only one functional group. Hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Okay, their preparation, their general formula and the chemical reactions. Only main properties, that is addition products with hydrogen and halogen, namely chlorine, bromine and iodine, pertaining to alkenes and alkynes. Topics which have been removed: alcohols, carboxylic acid, structure of acetic acid. So to just summarize, from first chapter periodic properties, no changes. Second, chemical bonding, no changes. Study of acids, bases and salts, of course few topics have been removed. Analytical chemistry, no change. Mole concept and stoichiometry, of course few topics were removed. Electrolysis, again no changes. Metallurgy, of course the steps involved in the extraction has been removed. Study of compounds, no changes. Organic chemistry, the alcohol and the acids, carboxylic acids, that part has been removed. Happy? So don't worry if you feel key. So is it good or bad, or what about the competitive exams? We need all that. Don't worry. So we will be covering everything, even though it has been reduced in the syllabus. Okay then. Chalo, thank you. You know what to do. I'll come back with another video. Till then, keep loving chemistry, elementary chemistry by Vedantu and your master teacher student.